What's up, guys? Welcome to our 9th What's Up Wednesday. So, exciting news for this week. We finally hit our 100 subscriber mark, so we're doing our giveaway as promised. The video went up as of yesterday with details on how to enter in for it. But to reiterate, it's going to require that you be a subscriber, obviously, as well as make a comment on a video, and that will enter you into the raffle for being eligible for the prizes. So you can make a comment on every video for the last 2 weeks, going back to the turtle wax spray and wipe videos all the way up to the most recent ones. This will include obviously this one, the one coming out Friday and the one coming out Monday. So if my math is right and I counted right, that should be up to 11 entries per person. I would prefer that you guys do more than just a period, but that is all that's sufficient to be entered in. Pretty much the way that's going to work is it's going to be a random raffle. So I'll take all the names for each of the comments, enter into a random name generator or random generator picker, whatever it's called, and that will select a person from random based off of the entry submitted. So if you really want to increase your opportunities, make sure to make a comment on all 11 videos as they come out. And we'll do that giveaway on next Wednesday, the 28th, I believe it is. Yeah, the 28th. And we'll get that done. So all it is a basic just kind of starter pack for detailing mainly by hand. Ultimate compound, ultimate polish, they can be done by hand, as well as some good ceramic coating and turtle wax eye seal and shine, so you have a good way to re-up it, which looking at my car right now, since it's raining, I can say everything is still beating beautifully and rolling off, and it's been like a month since I applied some. So pretty good stuff. On top of that, you also get some of the most awesome microfiber cloths that I've ever used. And yeah, there are better ones, but these are my preference. These are ones I use every day for all of my actual detailing, not just my product comparison videos, because these I just use cheap cloths for those. Those are fine. As for what I'd like to do, so coming up, say 250 or 500 subscribers, I'm not sure yet. We'll have to decide. I'd like to do a little bit larger of a detailing package. What I'd like to eventually get to is actually giving out like a full detailing starter kit. So things like random mortal polisher, some pads, polish, compound, wax, sealant, whatever, all in one kit together, shipped out to a lucky subscriber. But that's gonna have to wait either until the channel's monetized, so that way I have some way to pay for it, or if I get a pretty good raise at my job, then I'll be able to afford doing so. Because a pack like that would be a couple $100. And I don't have the money to do that right now, but we'll get there one day. As for the other channel news, next few videos, as I'm sure you noticed with Monday's video, are not really detailing related. Monday's video was how to install a new backup camera into the Tesla, because I had the kind of lower resolution one, and I wanted to have a higher definition backup camera. Noticed didn't seem to be any videos anywhere on how to do this, so I was just kind of winging it as I went, which isn't the way I like to do things. I like to kind of go into things with knowledge. Didn't have that. So I made a video so that way the community has it. Next videos will probably be just kind of basic review things. At least Fridays will be. Monday may be a product comparison or a product review for a detailing product, because I saw one the other day that I want to try out. It is another turtle wax product, not affiliated, just one that I saw and I'm interested in. So we'll see if I decide to do that or a different product review. Because I still have some that I've recorded, just haven't put out yet, so we may do that. But yeah, that's really all I've got for this week. Just want to reiterate what the rules and such were for the giveaway. I said the announcement will be made on the next What's Up Wednesday, so stay tuned for that. And as always, if you guys enjoy the content I'm putting out, sharing the video, it helps a ton, because that's how we're gonna help get more subscribers, do more giveaways, all the fun stuff. And as always, if you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you stay up to date with new content. It always helps out. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.